Hey YouTube, how's it going? Mark here with an unboxing or a fragrance haul. I'm going to call this an unboxing because it's only 3 fragrances. I think you need at least 5 to classify it as a haul. Either way, I got the last 3 bottles from my shopping overseas. What I do overseas, of course, is I just purchase fragrances online and then I get them when I'm home. These were like last minute purchases before I got home. So they took a little longer than the last haul you just saw with all those bottles. These are the ones that I'm super excited about. They're all blind buys. I've never smelt these fragrances ever. 2 of them are Amouage. I'm excited about those. And one's a Frapin. And these are really the ones that I'm super excited about, including the Black Afghano in the last haul. Those were the 4 that I was really looking forward to. And I really can't wait to unbox and smell these and give you guys a first impression. So this is going to be like my last unboxing or fragrance haul for the month of August for sure. So hopefully you're going to enjoy this one. So let's start off with the Frapin one and then we'll go in the Amouage. Now the Frapin one is, Frapin is the line that I knew absolutely nothing about. It started piquing my interest when reviewers from YouTube, thank you guys, started talking about the line a little more, so I decided to blind buy L'Humaniste, which I don't think is amazing. It's good, but of course I need to wrap my nose around it a little bit more. But I do like L'Humaniste, but this one was in limited. This is a limited edition, 1697. Only that many bottles were made. The story behind this is I was going to purchase it on my fragrance haul on Lucky Scent, then I didn't. And then I was like, oh, I think I'm going to get it. I went back on Lucky Scent, and then they didn't carry it. And then me being me, I started panicking. It's like, no, it's a limited edition. They only have this many bottles. I need to get it. I've never smelt this fragrance before. I don't know why I was so adamant of getting it. Either way, one of my eBay friends had 2 bottles. He purchased a couple bottles that he wanted to get rid of. And I was like, give me one. I'll take one. So this is where we're at, 1697, a blind buy from the Frapin line. And let's unbox this sucker. Now this is bottle 946. You can see right there, they actually number the bottles. 946, and this is what it looks like, just so you know. So let's do a first impression on this guy. I'm fairly excited about it. And let's spray it on this little piece of paper. I'll spray my hands, spray my shorts. It's very potent. I can smell it from here already. Let's see. Okay, it's boozy. It's nice. It's nice. It's boozy, and it's got like a dried fruit. Boozy, dried fruit. A little bit of sweetness. Reminds me of what? It reminds me of something. Like a mix of tobacco vanille, maybe? It's got a boozy accord like spiritueuse double vanille. I don't know. Maybe I'm off the charts here, but it's very sweet. It's got a dried fruit note. It's boozy. Very dark, great for fall and winter, I can tell already. Well done by Frapin. I think this is a winner. It's a winner. Winner. 1697, a good one by Frapin. Now, my Amouages. Let's start off with the older one of the 2. This guy right here. Dia Man. Let's unbox this guy. Let's take him out. There he is. Now this guy right here. There he is. I'm not too sure about this one. I don't know if I'm just purchasing this for collection purposes. I don't even know why I really purchased it. I really wanted to get Epic, the green bottle, I think. That's the one I wanted. It smells like something. I've smelled this before. But yeah, I wanted to get Epic. I got this one. What can you say? Okay. Definitely almost like the safest Amouage that I've smelt in my collection. even safer in reflection. I think this is probably the easiest one to love. It's very toned down also. It smells like something that I've smelt before. So wait till the review and I'll have that name. I'm trying to remember what it... I think it's got a little bit of incense in it, a little bit. It's very tame though. I can't really pinpoint. I think, is there florals? Is there fruits in here? It might be unisex too, so definitely like a tame amouage, which is the first time I've smelt that before. So it's a nice change. I think this one's going to be actually something that's a little more versatile than all the other amouages that I own. Now next, the big boy, the one that I'm super excited about. The newest amouage. Booyah baby. Honor. I like this. This is a white bottle, guys. White bottle. Yes. Yeah. Look at this. This is absolutely stunning. Okay. Honor Man. Honor Man, when I first saw the bottle, it was sold. I didn't even care what was in it. I know Amouage makes quality fragrances, so you know, I'm not worried. Okay, this smells again like a fall and winter. I can smell pepper. There might be a little trail of incense in it. A little trail of incense. Definitely there's pepper in this. My nose just launches to pepper. I can tell when there's pepper in a fragrance right away. I don't even have to look at the note breakdowns of any fragrance unless it's really in the background, but it has to be well hidden because this nose will get it. Yeah, well done. Overly impressed? No. It's Amouage quality. I know what I paid for. I know it's going to be good. Is it great? No, I'm not jumping out of my seat right now. One of these days I will be. But Honor Man is a decent Amouage fragrance. So is Dia. And I think the best of the bunch would have to be this guy, to be quite honest. $16.97. So the cheapie, it's weird calling this the cheapie. The cheapie of my unboxing wins. So again, you don't have to pay big bucks to get a great fragrance to make yourself happy, that you enjoy the fragrance. So you don't have to pay upwards of $300 for an Amouage fragrance when a Frapin will do just great. It's a terrible example. They're all expensive. But either way, you know what I mean. All quality. I'm happy with my haul. No waste of money here. I'm going to like all three of them. So there it is. My unboxing / haul. See you guys later. I'm going to go on a small hiatus here probably for a week or so. I got to get married. And I'm going to see you guys soon. Ciao.